What's up, readers? We're going to be talking about interactions between ideas in a text today. Like, for example, how one thing causes another. Flick a switch, light bulb goes on. So let's talk about how we do that. How do we analyze interactions between ideas? First, we want to identify key elements. What are the most important people, events, or ideas in a text? What's happening? Who's doing what? Then we figure out the relationship between those elements. Who or what caused something to happen, what happened as a result. We can find interactions between events, people, and even ideas. Doing that will make you understand the connections between different parts of a text and help you better understand what you read. Let's take a look at this scientific text. I'll read it, and then we'll each take some time to go through it and identify the key elements and ideas and see how they relate to one another. In 1786, Carolina Herschel discovered a comet. At the time, few people believed women could be scientists, but Carolina did. Her brother, William Herschel, also studied the stars. He's credited with discovering a planet. Carolina worked for him. In August of 1786, Carolina used William's telescope when he was out of town. She discovered a comet, the first of the 8 comets she would discover in her lifetime. As a result of her work and her discoveries, she became the first woman to be paid for being a scientist. I'm going to walk through my process here as I think about the key elements of this passage. What people, events, and ideas is the passage mostly about? Well, it's about the Herschel siblings, but it's mostly about Carolina, right, who wants to be a scientist. What events took place? Carolina discovered a comet. She got paid for being a scientist. Kind of scooted off the edge there, sorry. And it also mentions an idea, something that Carolina believed, right? That women could be scientists. So there. So now that I have our key elements identified, I can ask myself some questions about how they relate to each other. For example, how did Carolina Herschel's idea that women could be scientists influence events? How did this idea influence events? Well, believing this led her to use William's telescope and discover a comet. So her belief led to the comet's discovery. And what happened as a result of this event, of her discovery of the comet? People believed women couldn't be scientists, but she proved them wrong by using her brother's telescope and discovering a comet. And doing that got her a job as a scientist, proving that women could do that work. So her work had a big impact on the idea that women could be scientists. As you read, notice the main people, events, and ideas mentioned in a text. You might want to underline them or put them in a chart like the one I made, and then ask yourself questions like, how did this person influence that other person? Who or what caused this event to happen? And what did this idea cause that person to do? Questions like these will start to become second nature to you and will help you better understand what you read. If this feels difficult now, it's just a matter of practice. You can do this. All right. You can learn anything. David out.